How about Compass? These guys did a deal for Christie's, the real estate side of Christie's, not the auction site. And the stock has just been pretty much doing what people would love to see a realtor do, except real estate has not been the play lately, Mark. But you wouldn't know that to look at Compass, COMP, because they are seeing a lot of love these days. And like I say, Christie's is one of the reasons for that. They cited it in the report, and the stock's up 24%. It's right up against $10 a share right now.
This one definitely caught me by surprise and would not have been one that I would have expected, right? Because as you point out, the real estate market in which these guys operate, man, it's nothing but headwinds. We've got existing home sale turnover at an all-time low. That's staying at an all-time low every time that gets reported. We had housing permits reported this morning, up slightly, but housing starts down in part against the backdrop of concerns of increased cost of building materials, with potential tariffs on suppliers of those building materials, other countries, of course. We've got mortgage demand also down a month over month, that number coming out this morning. So to be able to report these kinds of numbers and this kind of performance against that backdrop of the industry in which they operate, by the way, a lot of regulatory change last year, not good for brokers, good for consumers, but some pretty significant regulatory changes that restrict realtors' ability in many instances in terms of how they traditionally did business. I am absolutely shocked to see this. The numbers are remarkable. They are gaining more market share by knocking down their competition. I don't know that I would chase this one, but I definitely got to give kudos to management for pulling this off in this kind of an environment.